Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful mirror by using this little hat from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's get started. end of today's video. If you like it, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.